Hi guys, it's me Risa. Welcome to my kitchen. I'm excited because I'm going to teach you how to make one of our favorite burrito bowl dishes, all right? My daughter and I love burrito bowls. Sometimes when we go to the mall, we have them there, but we decided that, we can make our own at home and save money and of course recify it so it's lower fat. The first thing that I've done, because I know you guys, hopefully you know how to make rice, and if you don't, you can check out one of my recipes, how to make rice. We decided to use the long grain and wild rice blend. 1 cup, wash it off well, add 2 cups of cold water to your pot. And I added about a teaspoon of some taco seasoning and some pink Himalayan salt. Let it come to a slight boil. Mix it and then add your lid. Keep it on the entire time and you get beautiful, perfect rice every time, all right? So the key is keeping the lid on and don't take it off, all right? I always have to yell at my husband. I say, keep the lid on. The other thing that I really love are grilled vegetables. And I have this amazing rock grill that I bought at Costco. It has the nice grooves to it. And I use some red and yellow and green peppers that I just cut up thinly, you can see, and red onion. So you can use white onion, Vidalia onion, red onion, and all I did was spray it with a little bit of olive oil spray, and to get a smokiness taste to it, this is what I used, is some liquid smoke. And all I did was just sprinkle a little bit on, all right? Just a little bit with some pink Himalayan salt again. And you can add a little bit of garlic powder if you want, or fresh garlic if you want as well, and just cook that up. Now, the other thing that I love, of course, are black beans. So let's make this all up, and then I'll show you the other ingredients that I'm using. So, depending on what program you're on, you'll calculate the points, because on WW, we have the purple, the green, and the blue. And so it's different for the green program because they have to count the proteins, the beans that we're going to be using, and then of course the rice and the guacamole or whatever, the cheese. And for the blue and the purple, you don't have to count the beans for it, all right? So, and it also depends how much you want to use. So I'm going to use a 1/3 cup of my rice, okay? And I like using a pretty bowl, and I just like putting it in really pretty. And then I'm going to just add some vegetables over it. And you can use as much or as little as you want. Fill it with lots of vegetables, okay? This is just a side dish for me tonight. And I'm using a 1/4 cup of black beans that I've rinsed off. And you can use whatever brand you want, okay? And high protein, good fiber. The other thing that I really love are edamames, okay? And so I buy usually the packages from Costco like this. And you can buy them at your grocery store already. Take all the beans taken out already. So you can do that and add a few edamames to it. And I just like to sprinkle some on. I love all the beautiful colors already. What's a burrito without some nice fresh corn? And if you have some leftover barbecue grilled corn, or just some canned corn or frozen corn, you can add, and I'm just putting in about a 1/4 cup. All right, and you can add some shredded lettuce, which I have. I just add a little bit of shredded lettuce if you want. And what else? A little bit of some, oh my God, some fresh cilantro, okay? So, and some people don't love cilantro, and that's okay. And ta-da, you have a beautiful burrito bowl. Now, you can use whatever toppings you want. The other thing too is if you don't feel like there's not enough taco seasoning in your rice, you can sprinkle a little bit more taco seasoning on it. Or you can also add a little bit of some salsa, a couple tablespoons if you want, or some fresh tomatoes. And I have my homemade guacamole, all right? Of course, a burrito bowl isn't a burrito bowl without guacamole. So 2 tablespoons of my guac that you can check out my recipe is 1 smart point. So I'll add some guacamole. Of course, I had to drop something because, you know, when I do a video, I always do. And it's not planned. I'm telling you the truth. So a tablespoon of guac. Now, the other thing you can add if you want is some delicious sour cream, a tablespoon. 2 tablespoons, I believe, is 1 smart point on WW. And you can also add some delicious cheese, whatever cheese you want. All right. And again, you're counting the smart points on WW depending on the amounts you're using. All right. So I'm not adding that right now. The other thing is you're thinking, okay, well, you can eat it just like this, which is super delicious. Or you can, I just want to show you what I've done is I've taken a pita, or you can take a tortilla, and I just add a little bit of garlic powder and some olive oil spray and cut it up and toast it and make your own. And this is 1 smart point on WW. All right, so really easy. You just cut it up into triangles. I just put it on a pan, some onion powder or just garlic powder or onion powder, depending on how you want it to taste. It's delicious. And sprinkle on a little bit of taco seasoning as well. And then you can just take this and scoop it up. And again, usually I like some sour cream, or even if you want, you could add Greek yogurt for less calories and less points on WW. And just scoop it up. And that is an absolutely delicious burrito bowl. Now, my daughter likes these scoops, but again, on WW, I mean, you can have it if you're having guests over and you want to have these cute little tortilla scoops, bowls, or whatever. That's an option as well. So that's it. This is going to be my dinner tonight. If you want, for those of you that are meat lovers, I am trying to just include everybody. Vegans, vegetarians, WW, intermittent fasting, keto. So, you know, for the keto people, if you don't want to use rice, you can use other kind of rice that's out there that's without the carbs, okay? Or just use all the other things in here as well. A little bit of rice won't hurt you people. And for those of you that like shrimp or crab meat, or you want to put in chicken or ground turkey, you can do that as well. It's versatile, all right? So however you like your burrito bowls, you can make it the way you like it. This is how we love it, with all the delicious vegetables, and make it really nice and colorful, okay? So if you would change it up, please let me know. Comment below. Tell me if you keep it the same, all right? And of course, I dropped my fork too. So I better get going and clean up this mess, and take care. Mwah. Don't forget to subscribe and share and tell other people about my channel. Take care. Bye for now.